Yeah, so this one is yeah. So we go to C, Windows, System to Drivers, etc. and this host file. And once you open this, so here you can add the DNS if you want. Did you get that? Hello?
Yes, yes, Pranay. Just give me a minute. Windows
Sure.
System 32 and then
Windows System 32 drivers, etc. and then host.
wait.
Yeah, sure.
Drivers is PC and then host. Give me a minute.
Sure.
Mm, game.com. Port number is required, right? Mm,
Yeah.
Where can I see the port number?
Port number for Tomcat port number you want.
Yeah. Where can I
So
see
server.xml file in conf folder. Let me show
conf
you.
folder, right?
Yeah, sure. Let me show you. So
In Apache Tomcat.
yeah, Apache Tomcat. You need to go to Apache Tomcat.
Okay, config
And
file
then
server.xml,
conf
right?
server.xml. Yeah.
Mm, That is the connector, right?
Yeah. So here you are able
Connect.
to
Yeah, server.xml.
yes.
And
So
then,
connector
okay.
port. This
Yes.
one.
Yeah, give me a minute.
That's 16.
Yeah. Yeah, this is correct, but it's not getting HTTP is required. Let me share my screen.
Sure. It's good. Okay. So on amtalk.com. So did you just a second. Go to the web folder where you install that.
Web folder, okay.
That
Okay.
apps am.o, right? Okay, am. Fine. It's which version it is?
7.5.
7.5 and what's the Java version you have? 17.
Java 17.
Okay, fine. And now okay,
Mm,
go to the
but not
Tomcat.
deployed, right? Can I remove the var file and again can I deploy? Why? Because it's actually 235, but it's here it's showing 947, 1125. So can I
Sometimes
remove
it's yeah, delete it. It's fine.
just only AM, right?
Yeah, am. You can delete that. And do one thing, change the name of this am.war once. Change the
So,
name of your file.
or automatically deploying a
Is
server.
your Tomcat is running? I guess your
Yeah,
Tomcat is
target
running.
running.
You need to stop the Tomcat and delete it. So that's why it's uh, yeah, Control C. Do Control C, you will come out
Yeah,
of.
already controls it. Yeah, I did that one. Yeah, but it's. Can I close or?
I guess it's automatically doing that. Yeah, it's fine. You can close if it's taking time. So yeah, delete that.
Come on. Okay, this one, open IDM, now this one.
No, don't start. Don't do that. Just first go back. Yeah.
Shut down, right?
Yeah, you can do shutdown as well. But if you mode that also fine. It's already saying not connected. Yeah. That's fine. Your server is already network server. So, is your folder is open anywhere? Can you
No,
check?
no, no. Uh, just try to stop all these things.
Mm. Are you installing IDM version or AM? You need to install
AM
AM,
only. Yeah.
but it's IDM 7.5. I see. Okay, yeah, running
Easy.
separately.
Okay. Mm, web apps.
Web apps. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's doing gone.
So
Um,
can I start now?
Yeah, just change the ones with the rename the your file as well, Word file ones.
Why?
Sometimes Tom can't interpret that because we have already installed it once, right, with the other server. So go to the web apps once, just rename it once. Any AM custom you can do. Yeah. Mm.
So can I change it that host file
Yes.
also, right?
No, in host file you don't need to. Or what did you do host file? Show me once. You do in host file you don't need to add the AM Word file
Not
name.
required, no? Just
No, not
local host.
required.
No?
Yeah, not
Okay.
required. Not
Okay.
required.
Okay.
So yeah,
So shall I go ahead and continue the
yeah, and go to the server.xml as well once.
server.xml? Web apps, web
Change the
apps.
port for shutdown port and the both port ones. You can put one increment on it.
Mm,
It's in
is there any conflict between
conf conf.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Once I change it, is there any conflict between IDM and OpenDJ?
It's depend. So if you use that port to
So
restart those services, so it might be then those IDM will be using that port. So now if you're installing the other component, you need a different port from a Tomcat.
yeah, already in my machine I have. That's what I'm asking. So let it be
Yeah.
go to save port number. We'll see.
Okay.
Okay.
Try that.
Web apps bin.
But it should require a different port. But try once, it's fine.
But HTTP or HTTPS?
Currently, if you're going with the local host, it would be HTTP.
Okay.
HTTP is colon / localhost
Okay.
localhost colon what are the port number is in server.xml you have and,
And
slash yeah. So once they start, you can test this one.
oh, it's taking. Okay. AM customer. Yeah.
Mm. It's taking it will take a couple of minutes.
Mostly.
It will tell once if
Mm,
that port is not being used anywhere, it will work. Otherwise, it will push the logs and say, or you can go one more minute, go back. We can check one place extra as well in logs. Go to the before, yeah, click this one and go to the logs. Yeah, and 37. Go to this Catalina log 2437 240730.
mm,
Same one, last Catalina 24. Scroll
this one.
down. Sixth, seventh file. No, 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 scroll up. Sorry. Yeah, first file now. I have it. If you see
This
that,
one, right?
no, no, check the date. Go with the date 7/30
Mm,
2024.
7:30. Yes, correct. This is the one.
Yeah, open it. Open it. Yeah. So scroll down.
Mm,
HTTP request header. Scroll down. Check in your other one as well. Does it giving any error? It started. Mm,
mm. Oh, it's not getting any error.
Scroll up.
No, it looks good actually.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah,
Yeah, it
this is it.
started. Now,
Started.
hit that. Now the means that port is not being used. That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so scroll down. It will, yeah. You can check any logs. If any Tomcat error, you can check in this file as well. So,
Okay.
yeah. Um,
I think this is the deployment directory.
yeah, that's fine. So, mm,
What is this error?
I
Email
guess it's just a
on
Tomcat thing,
Tomcat
checking
error.
something. Yeah, just a warnings. You can ignore that. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So can I hit the URL?
Yep. Is there any space between your slash and AM custom? No, right?
Mm, just a minute. I think I need to change all. Oh,
Yeah, just any password. Save first save password also sometimes. People usually forgot. I can write AM admin 12345 anything which you can remember easily. Okay, well, I'll tell you why. Go to this C users. C users. Yeah, C users. Yeah, this tell us other one. And search A or M anything. Scroll down.
OpenAM config,
Yeah,
right?
yes, AM config. And if you see AM custom, so if you this one AM custom and AM. So no, no, scroll down. You will see in this AM and AM custom. So there when you have installed it before, now you are DS extracting over here.
Yes, yes.
So that's why I was to rename it. So because it will default. So
Okay.
this year, if you open it, so your DS services would be installing over here. Open it, just see. Just have a look around.
Yeah.
Go to click on the war. Click on the war one. Debug. So these are all your logs.
Okay.
So whatever you do, right, in EM is install, right, and scroll down. It hasn't started, I guess. These are the logs, while it should be updated. Go back once, even EM custom, right? So click on debug, on war again, go on war file again. Does it updating anything? I just want to see install.log. So Yeah, so whatever is installing, right? If you open the install.log, open this. That's when you open it. So all your installation logs is going coming over here. So scroll down, dumping all configuration parameters, directory and everything. And
Yeah,
so
finish
this is your
formatting.
local host. So see, it will tell you all the details, your server host, server port, URI, your server URL. So, yeah, so config, your organization base name. So this is installation log. So suppose in your organization, you are installing and deploying, right, in any of your server, and you see this deployment went fine, or there's any problem comes in installation, then to debug, you can check this log files. It will tell if anything is missing. Okay, so just go back. This is the directory server also. Or go back. Just want to show you this one. So DSC and directory manager. So this is the directory server. Okay, saying something is I got issue. Illegal group reference group index is missing. Refer to installed log. So same whatever saying. No, go back. Is there any issue over there is showing? Install.log. Yeah, just open it again. It should be one go. Yeah, it's saying illegal group index. What does it mean? AM setup servlet, Forgerock open AMs. Index is missing. Check. Can you put this error on chat? I just want to see.
Sorry,
Yeah,
Pranay.
yeah, can you put this error in chat? Uh,
This one, right?
yeah, this one, this line. I just want to see what's the error. This one, where it's coming. Mhm. Oh,
There
is
is a
your
chart here. Yeah.
can you show me a Java version? It's, I go to command prompt. Yeah. I go to the
Java.
CMD. Open the command prompt.
Wait, wait, yeah, JDK 17.
That's fine. But is it installed? Did it update on your advanced configuration, advanced properties? Okay, go to the command prompt. Open the command prompt from run command or search it from here. Yeah, search it from here. That's fine. Command prompt. Yeah, Java C, Java, Java C space hyphen version, Java 17. Okay, that's fine. Okay, Java instrument. So I have this group indexes. Solution version. No, it's something saying related to the Java version only. Okay, I'm not turning back down your JNPT 1.8 and full product. Go to the same folder once. Go
Yeah,
to
yeah,
the
just yeah, yeah.
OpenDS. Sure.
But I'm deploying the same EMWare file. Give me 1 minute. We'll see.
Okay.
Just give me a minute.
That should take it up.
The server is up. So what is that URL? Can I use
What's the your WAR file name?
AM?
Okay, so if you want to keep using the Savannah, then you need to delete it from your that C Windows C users as well, because your that will be installed. Try that once. It
Which one?
contradicted. Try that URL first. Yeah, let's see.
This is the not local host, right? This is the one system 32. Mm, Windows, right? Windows system
Yeah,
32.
yeah, right. You're going to change the host name. Okay, got that. Yeah,
No,
yeah,
no,
Windows
host name.
32. So you
Mm,
need to go to system Windows System 32 drivers.
Windows.
So yeah, System 32 drivers.
Is it correct?
Yeah. Mhm.
Basically, it should be work. Mm,
Go to the host file once.
HTTPS is required, na?
Your AM sure is open. Go to first host file once. Yeah, you need to.
Mm, this one. Host file, correct?
Yeah, host file.
Okay.
Mm, okay, that's fine. Now, check your Tomcat now. Is there any issue in Tomcat in Catalina logs? Is okay, it's saying something this configuration store is not available. That's why not able to start up. And why the configuration store? Did you retrieve this error before as well?
No,
When
no, no,
you
no. No. Yeah, basically today morning also it's work fine. But whenever
okay,
we deleted that AM file, right?
yeah,
At that time only it's getting.
okay. So okay, you removed it and then we rename the version and okay, can you do one thing? Can you go to the OpenDS, go to the C users AM custom where this OpenDS and we show the
So can
debugs
I
and
start open DJ and open IDM also?
Open IDM. No, don't do that yet. You need to up your AM services, right?
Yeah,
For this session. So first let your AM services run primarily. Uh, Go back to the OpenDS folder.
open DS. Okay.
Yeah. Mm, no, this
Mm,
one. This is for DJ. Go to the C users where
yeah.
uh, not here in Windows. Users, yes, C users, yeah.
Okay.
You are, yeah, here and then go to the one you are using, which WAR file, which DS you are using now. AM, is it?
AM, yes.
Or open it. Okay, it doesn't have the OpenDS installed. See, config security doesn't have the OpenDS installed.
Oh, open DS is required.
Yeah, OpenDS is required, right? So,
Just a
but
minute.
OpenDS, because if you do the create default one, right? So then
Yeah,
it will
wait,
install the
wait, wait. Yeah, yeah,
OpenDS automatically.
yeah, yeah. Give me a minute. I will open that. Uh, open DS, no? Only time waste. Uh, okay, directory server started. Something error.
So do one thing, right? Don't start with the DS service, the external DS 1 yet, right? I'm not
Okay,
because
okay,
do go with the default one. Uh,
okay,
go close everything once. Close every server you have started. Close once, yeah. Because let's can do troubleshooting at your time. So let's have the AM services running. So yeah, close that and close the.
okay.
And your the Tomcat is also stopped running. Can you check?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So now go to your Weber folder once.
Okay.
And before that, go to the con folder. I want you to change the Tomcat port for both ones.
So
Go to the Apache conf. Yeah, over there. Con folder, server.xml, change the port number for both. No, no, not in Catalina, yeah, in server.xml. Yeah, it do 8091, anything you like, or 8082, you can do anything. Yeah,
yeah, is that fine?
yep, that's
So what shall
fine.
I do?
And change the shutdown port as well.
Shut down
Go
port.
above, yeah, shutdown port.
So can I give to 8092?
Yeah, you can give that.
Okay. So can I close this one?
Yeah, save and close, yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, close this one, right one. And go to your web apps folder now.
Web apps.
Or one more thing can you do? Can you remove those DS ones stored in users, right? EM custom. Can you delete that?
Which one?
Go to the users, see users. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, tell us, yeah. AM and delete this one. Can't you just delete this one, yeah.
Okay. And
And
OpenEM
AM custom,
configuration.
any AM custom do you have? Any other you have installed? No, right?
No, yeah. What is this OpenEM configuration? Can I delete this one?
I'm
Not
not
yet,
sure.
right?
Click on that. Don't delete. Click on that. Open it. M config Apache web apps file. Not sure. I'm open M configuration. Let it be. It's fine. It will not do anything. Uh, Go to now. And there's one more AM custom. I guess it didn't install, so it didn't save, right? Scroll
No,
down
no.
once. Okay, fine.
I deleted that one.
Okay, you deleted that one. Okay, fine. Go
Yeah.
to your web apps folder now.
Web apps. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And delete your AM file above one.
Okay.
And AM custom as well. It's
AM custom. Okay. Yeah.
rename this AM word to something else mm, with your name or anything. AM new something. AM hyphen new. You can do that. AM hyphen new. Slash new. Do slash new. That always better.
Yeah.
That's fine.
So
And
can I?
now, yeah, now let me go start the Tomcat service. CMD. Yeah. No, do Catalina bat route run. Or do start bat. It's fine.
Can I start Catalina pattern?
Yeah,
Can I
you
start
can.
this?
Catalina bat run. You can do that. A space run. So you need to do space. Catalina bat. Yeah.
Uh,
Space run. Yep. Let
yeah.
that runs.
So,
Yeah. Let it run. Yeah.
okay.
It started. Now go to a
8091, right? 8091 and then localhost.
yeah.
Localhost. Mm,
Local. Yeah. Localhost colon 8091 slash that your broadband name. You do HTTP. Yeah. Yeah. Create a default. Continue. No, I guess you didn't click on continue.
yeah, here some, this one is,
What happened?
so are you able to see my screen now?
Yeah, yeah, I am able to see my screen. What happened? Yeah, I need to click on
Uh,
continue. Right? Hello?
Hello, yeah, Pranay.
Yeah. So yeah, click on continue.
Are you able to my screen?
Yeah, I'm able to see your screen.
But okay, something happened.
Okay, are you move further? Okay. Is it like
Yeah,
you're
yeah, yeah.
holding?
Yeah, now it's good. Okay, continue. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
I think dollar is
Yeah, that's fine. Let's see. No, let it be run. So now you know, like, so if you get these kind of errors, so where do you need to see? Which file installed or you need to see?
AM where, right?
Yeah, so see users tell Rajiv, right? So when it goes in user file, open ds1, so there will be all the logs will be uh, telling over there. So in your like if you get a project and you need to check anything configuration logs or installation logs, so you can go to that location. It's everywhere. So even in Windows, it's like that. If in Unix also, it will store that in that location.
Yeah.
You need to for troubleshooting, you need to go through those files.
Okay.
So I guess if you're getting error, it's a blessing in disguise. It's a you know how to troubleshoot.
Yeah. I think it's not good. Okay.
Yeah, now it's configuration. Yeah,
Login.
now you don't get any error, right? So proceed to login. Yeah, AM admin. Yeah,
Okay.
now you uh, are into the runs.
Click on realm
Yeah, click on that.
plus symbol or
And this one, top level. The plus will ask you to create a new one. We'll come to that. So click on that one. Yeah.
okay.
So now you can see all the applications and all the features for. Scroll down. You will see
Yeah.
the version you installed. So 7.5 is installed on your
Um,
system.
yeah.
Right. Yeah. So okay. Okay. So okay. I guess we have less time. Let's go to some session. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, you can practice at your time. Okay. So now let's do hands-on, like you are doing. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, so first, like we need to create a realm, right? So I have my PPT as well, but it's fine. So you're logged in, so I'll go through it from your system. So this is a realm, right? So as we discussed, where you can create anything, do any configurations, any task or any authentication and everything, right? So you can go to one by one just to hands-on. So now this is a top level realm. It's like administrator access, right? Here you can also create a new realm, different new realm as well, like for us, different set of employees or users for limited set of users, right? Go above, click on realm, click on realm, yeah, click on realm. Show all, it's fine. Show all. So this is a for the Realm dashboard. So where you can actually create your new Realm as well, right? Like in
Yeah.
a company, there will be the employees like contractors or external employees, right? So for contractors, you need to set okay, your company is okay. For contractors, we need to everything in a different realm, right? For these kind of users, you can go to the new realm. Name, you can do any, create any name like contractor, right? Contractor.
Okay.
Okay, so go scroll down the DNS license that you can add anything. So that's fine. Okay. So
This is not mandatory.
not mandatory yet, but when you need to log in with that, then it mandatory. But it's fine for now. Click on create. So
Okay.
now go above. Now you are into the contractor level. Okay. So
Yeah.
this, yeah, right. So this now go back to the realm again. You will see now two realms. Go back to the realm again.
Mm,
Above, show all realms.
okay.
Yeah. So if you see now there's a two realms, right? So you can do in a task for contractor, like they ask you to set up some authentication process differently for contractor employees, right?
Yeah.
So you can do in a contractor realm, and top realm will be only for administrator access, like that. So and in the same way you can create multiple realms also for contractor external employees, like that. Yeah, you
Okay.
go, yeah, click on that on, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So no, click on that and go back. I'm just, it's edit one. So if you need to edit
Yep.
any, okay. So go to the top level then. So you work via top level then.
Yep.
So one thing is now this we have did the top level. So now what one other things we do, there's AM session cookie. Okay, let me share my screen.
Yep.
Okay, so I just talked about the realm. So now I can talk about the cookie. So this is AM cookie. Okay, so this is the I Planet Directory program. This is the one of the very famous question as well in the interview. So they ask you when user authenticates, which is the cookie, that what the cookie name is there, that the session cookie that stores the authentication users information. Okay.
Authenticates again AM and store the
Yeah.
session token. What is
Yeah.
that?
So this one is AM that AM. So what's happened? The AM creates a cookie when you log in, right? I'll show you that. So when AM, you log in, any user log in, any administrator user, any other user. So AM creates a cookie that is iPlanet Directory Pro cookie. So for in your browser, and then this session cookie is created when user successfully authenticates again. So this is the one way to check if your your user is got authenticated, right? So on successful login, it creates iPlanet Directory Pro in your browser with this value such as kind start like this, and this is for stored in only by AM. Okay, and where it's stored, okay, just let me show you, and we can change the name as well. iPlanet Directory Pro is the by default name. Okay, so in interviews they ask you the question, so what's the default the session cookie, what the cookie creates when the user authenticates, how you do you check like if user authenticated. So you can see, okay, I can check with the this iPlanet Directory Pro cookie. So if user gets authenticated, this cookie session has been created. So
Where this cookie session created.
yeah, this will create in a browser. I'll just show it to you. So if
So
I,
whenever user logged in, automatically session created, right?
yeah,
Cookie.
this session created when user got authenticated with the AM. So if I go and okay, just okay, I logged out. Okay, done to login page. So if I go to the inspect storage cookies, right? So
Storage.
here it
Okay.
doesn't have anything. Okay, now I'm able to log in. If you see, if I log in over here. So if I go back to this cookie, so see this iPlanet directory cookies appear, right? And
So
this one,
whenever user logged in, automatically cookie will be generated,
yeah,
right?
yeah. So this cookie will be generated out there.
Okay, what is the purpose of this cookie?
This purpose of the cookie is store the SSO token value. So that's
SSO
how,
token value.
yeah.
Okay.
So this is SSO token value. So it store the session of the AM. Where AM where this AM can determine how actually logged in. So if the session is until this session is valid, this user is keep logged in. If this last access done true HTTP only, right? So this one, yeah, and this session. So there is a like they are always ask, and it's this session can also expire. So by default, I guess time is 30 minutes, and default time, like if you remain inactive, so it will keep doing, it will keep the user login for 30 minutes. And if you keep working on it after 2 hours, you can update the session. And where you can do that, so if you go to the sessions, so there are the services. um, sessions. So if you see this is ideal time, this session. So you can increase or decrease this your session time as well. So
Okay.
maximum idle time is would be like it can the user would be like if you don't do anything, keep idle. It remain active to 30 minutes. After, if you don't do anything, it will the session will be over. It will be asked to re-authenticate again. And the maximum session time it will be 2 hours. You can increase the session time as well to 3 hours, 4 hours is up to you. So if anyone asks, can we increase the in interview? If anyone asks, can we increase the session time? Yes, you can say yes. We can increase the session time. But some default session in 2 hours. What's the default idle time? It's 30. Okay,
Default idle time 30 seconds.
30 minutes.
30
If
minutes.
you
Okay.
yeah, if you read about it here, it will say in minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, here is it. Okay. So this is the cookie one thing. Okay. Yep. So this is a very important. So you can change where it's stored. I'll just show to you. So this is I showed in my browser. So where it's coming from in AM, right? So if
When
you
can
go
you
to
use
the
this cookie, Pranay?
sorry.
When can we use this cookie?
No, you can't means when can what's your question? I don't get it.
Cookie generated, right?
Yeah, cookie generated by the Forgerock AM.
Okay, that's perfect.
Yeah.
What I'm asking is, when can I use this cookie anywhere else?
Yeah, you can use that cookie. Like
Where we
suppose,
can use?
huh? Yeah.
Where we can
So,
use?
okay, you can use the cookie to, this is SSO token, right? So suppose you want to hit the API, right? And
Okay.
for the user, like you need to hit the OIDC API, right? So there it will ask you to get for when you get a curl command, it will ask you to get your session cookie. So
I
where
see.
the user would be the cookie, it will ask to first authenticate, tell me like with the user is. So you give the session cookie on that one, and then it will then your endpoint will be hitted for that user. If I go over there, like let me go to the admin API Explorer. Hmm, okay, so here if I go to any application like create post or anything. You can ask for the curl command. Just a second. Try it out. Click on try it out. So this is the curl command it creates. So here, so this one, right? So this curl like command you're creating. So here, when you hit the curl command or postman, right?
Yep,
So you need to anything you need to hit that any endpoint, this endpoint, right? It will ask you to get your SSO token cookie.
I
Where
see.
that, yeah, so this cookie you will put, if I show you in just a second, the curl command I'm expecting. Actually, because I'm already on this Forgerock AM, that's why it's not showing me, but uh, let me search it. Let me get that command for you. Just a second, give me a second.
So whenever in Postman API hits,
Hmm.
at that time it will ask the cookie, right? Correct?
Yeah, also a second. I'm just getting that command. Token ID. So this is called the token ID. ID, yeah. So the user token is not valid. So you need to put this token ID, and it will be uh, in data we will give. So here and the token ID I need to give. So here um, here, let's give me okay. When this I'm not able to get you, but if I show you where it will be like goes. Okay, so here when we hit, right? So any endpoint you need to hit, suppose you need to hit the cookie. So here there is the in a header. It didn't show, but here header it will put like this. header instead of this one. Cookie. So your cookie name. So what's your cookie name? So your cookie name is mm,
Pranay, can you show it me? It's Postman.
yeah. Currently, Postman is not installed. I'll install it and show to you. I have the other laptop currently. So otherwise, I'll show you to the Postman, right? So and it will I will one, and then we need to have this session. So where it's stored. So then we create a curl command where we use this cookie and the cookie name and this session. So whenever you hit, they need to hit the endpoint, right? So we need to give this cookie, and where then in this one, then we can hit any URL. We need to add at any point. This one, so it will go fill to, so then it will hit. Not the perfect one, but like it will work something like that. So where we need to give this cookie session so that it is required. Why? Because it will confirm whenever the user hit this one for which the user it will hit, it will check the user is already authenticated. Then it will hit any API endpoint for that user from the Forgerock AM. So Forgerock AM will means it's like it will check the user is get authenticated. So this is the way to check the user authenticated to get to do any stuff from any endpoint or anything. So that's why this cookie is very important for the for Joke.
Okay, whenever API hits, it will
Yeah.
requested cookie, right?
Yeah, we will. Yeah, it will request for the. We'll need to give the cookie in a headers.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll install the Postman. I'll show to you. I mean, it's already in the session because when we hit any APIs there, all right, right. So then I need to show you. But this cookie will be there, and we can change the cookie. This is the default cookie. So for the security purpose, we should change the cookie as well. Okay, so if I go to where we can change, okay, I need to show you where is the cookie actually present. Okay, you saw that over this minute, so let me close it for now. Mm, And need to go to the configure, server defaults, uh, security, cookie, and here is the cookie. That is your cookie name. Okay, so here you can change the cookie name as well. Like if I go with I personal EM, right? EM I can do. So let me show that, right? And now save the changes. Now, if once you saved it, so what we need to do, it won't change itself. We need to restart the Tomcat services, then this cookie would name would be changed. So they all can also ask the question to you in interview, do we need to, if we need to change the cookie name, do we need to install the, do we need to restart the services or not? Okay, so I'm stopping it and now I'll rerun the services. Okay, so then only I can this if now if I log in instead of iPlanet Directory Pro, it will give me this with this name. So let's see. That was up. Okay, it's saying it's up now. Mm, Let me run it again. Okay, now I'll log in again. Log in, inspect storage cookies. Okay, so let me delete this one. And now if you see, the username. Let me refresh it. So you will see we don't have any cookie. Now I am login. So
So whenever hits, automatically cookie will be generated, right?
yeah, right. So the automatically, so this cookie would be generated. See,
Okay.
now name has changed to I personally.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah. Okay.
But what is the purpose of this cookie? Where can I use this post? Use this one Postman.
So this means this purpose of the cookie to tell the Forgerock will like suppose if the user is using, right, so user would be attracting to the SAML authentication OIDC, right? So
Yeah.
how the Forgerock will authenticate the user to use the SAML to get the OIDC to any if you need to check the any OIDC client, right? Like you have set up the OIDC client in your system. And if you need to
Okay.
set up the OIDC client, you have set up the OIDC client in your system, right? And the user need to hit the OIDC client to log into that OIDC application. So how the user, how the Forgerock will check the user is getting authenticated. So user will once you and user having the system, right? So whenever the user get try to log in into the via AM, so it will create this session cookie. And to further log into the OIDC and hit the OIDC application to get him the successful response. First initial check, he will check the user is having this token, SSO token or not. So once he has the SSO token, then it will further do the functionality for the OIDC or SAML or anything. So then where it will. So Forgerock will authenticate. Forgerock will check. The AM will check like the user you are using is getting is authenticated with its server, its application or not. So then it will use this cookie. So Forgerock will the confirm. So user got the authenticated with this one. So that's the purpose of it. So without that, it'll not able to user won't able to do anything for that for any access or anything. So that's why this cookie would be important. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, so this is about the cookie, and we will talk more about the sessions in later one. So this is just want to know because whenever the user authenticated, we need to the forge and we need to check that this cookie has been created. This is a very important interview question. They ask you. So this comes in basics and they'll check. So how you authenticate the user, which cookie is tells for the for AM the authenticated. So you can say, yeah, this is iPlanet Directory Pro cookie that has been created when the user is authenticated via Forgerock AM. Yeah, so that's it. So and one more. Okay, so and yesterday also I was telling you right how you can check your services is alive, right? Your AM services are working through any JSP. So this is the one of this page. So is alive.jsp. So
Sometimes your voice is go very low, Pranay.
okay, is it fine
Now it's good.
now?
Now it's good.
Okay. So yeah. So if you see this one I was telling you right. So is alive.jsp. I show you the
Yep.
page yesterday, right?
Yep.
So where it tells the server is down or not. Like if I hit it now, it will should give me the saying the server is alive. So
Oh,
means your AM is up and running. If you stop the Tomcat and try it, it will give you server is not alive. That kind some kind of message. And you can update that message as well. If you go to that file, give your custom message, you can do that as well. Okay.
yeah, got it, Pranay.
Yeah.